In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to make a custom tournament in EAFC 26. Creating your own custom tournament is really easy. All you have to do is scroll down here and go to the tournaments tab. Now we have UEFA Champions League, then we have this leaderboard tournament as well. If you wanna play Women's International Cup, then that option is available as well. In case you wanna play Premier League, then go to domestic tournaments. Under it, select Men's League or Men's Cup. So I'm just gonna explore Men's League here. And then we have a bunch of tournaments here such as Pro League, Superliga, Premier League, EFL Championship. So bunch of tournaments are here. If you wanna play any of them, then you can go and start any tournament. But I wanna create my own tournament. So for that we need to go back from here and select the custom tournament option. Now first of all we need to choose the type of tournament. So league is the first type. Then we have knockout and group and knockout. So I wanna go with this option. And then we need to choose the number of teams we wanna have inside our tournament. So you can either choose 32, 64, 4, 8, 16 or 32. So I'm just gonna go for 32. Then you can enable or disable the autofill teams option. So I'm just gonna set it to yes. Then choose the tournament name. If you wanna type any custom name, then you can type that here. You can also enable the advanced settings to adjust advanced settings such as choosing the trophy and choosing all of the different things you wanna have for our tournament. Then choose your team type. If you wanna have main, then you can select it as main. If you wanna go for women tournament, then you can select that from here. I'm just gonna go for main. Then press A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation to advance. And after that, we can choose the advanced settings. So I wanna autofill teams, so I'll just select the custom option or league option. So I want international teams in my tournament. So for that I'll just select the international option from here. Then choose your team ratings range. So if you wanna have less than 2 stars, then you can select that. So I'm just gonna go for all. Then you can choose the subs on bench. Select the trophy you wanna have for your tournament. So I'm happy with this one. Then choose the final stadium. So let's go with this. And now choose the final match legs. So basically you can go through all of these options to set it according to your tournament. Then press A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation to advance. And after that, all of the international teams or any league team you have selected will be added automatically. That's because I have enabled the autofill teams option. If you disable that option, then you need to manually add all of the teams. So 4 slots are empty here. I wanna add the teams there. So for that I can press triangle or Y on Xbox, and from here I can choose any of the team. So let's go with this team. And now to select that, we can press A or cross, and then that team will be added on my tournament. So let's add this team as well. Now it's time for choosing our own team inside our tournament. So I wanna go with Portugal. So for that I can just go there and then press A or cross, and that team will be selected as your own. If you wanna select multiple teams, then you can repeat the same process and those teams will be selected too. So you can basically play with your friends as well. And now to create our tournament, we need to press the main menu key or option button like so, and our tournament will be created. So you can see multiple groups are now being created here. If you wanna randomize the groups, then for that press X or square on PlayStation, and then you can randomize the groups as much times as you want. And now I wanna proceed further. For that again press main menu key or option button, and now our tournament has been created on our game. So I wanna choose this slot here. Then you can select that, type the name of your save slot, and now your own tournament will be created. So this is the complete process to create or make any tournament in EAFC 26. If you wanna play any match, then you can start the match from here. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.